Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the GE Dishwasher Float. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new float. The float tells the dishwasher whether it's empty or full of water. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's damaged and the dishwasher is either overfilling or not filling at all. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we're going to pull the lower rack out. Once you have it out, you can set it aside. Once you have the dish rack out of the way, we can see the cover that covers up the float. It's in the left-hand corner in the front. It just snaps on, so all you have to do is kind of flex it and lift it off. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. Once you have the cover off, you can just reach in and lift the float off and pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old float next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Looks like they redesigned it a little bit, but it'll go in and work just fine. To put the new float assembly on, all you have to do is set it on top of the float stem, and then we can put the cover back on. To put the cover back on, all you have to do is line it up and snap it into place. Once you have it in, we can put the lower dish rack back in. To put the lower dish rack back in, all I have to do is set it on the door and push it back into the dishwasher. Once you have the dish rack in, you can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.